Passionate, creative, inspirational. 3 different stories, 3 different people who relentlessly pursued and finally reached their dreams, together with Fern. Born on May 17, 1972, Patrick comes from a family of hard-working entrepreneurs.
Nag-umpisa ako sa Fern sa pag-imbita sa akin ng isa kong kaibigan. In fact, ginagawa na niya yung Fern for a few months, no? Sabi niya, attend ka. Wala nang mawawala. So, based on that invitation, sabi ko, at that time, transition period ng buhay ko yun. Medyo challenging, at the same time, very trying sa akin. Nag-attend ako. Little did I know na yung negosyong pala na yun, makakapagpabago ng buhay ko. So, I became a member in August 8, 2006.
As the only girl in a sibling group of 3, Michelle from Tagbilaran City grew up with a strong outlook on life.
Last 2006, it was actually my brother Richard who introduced me to the business. But that time, I wasn't yet ready to join him, and I did not take the business seriously. It was only after a couple of years when he was able to convince me to join some of the trainings of Fern, of which I was so amazed with how beautiful the company is and the people around it. And eventually, I decided to take the business seriously. It was then that I started to plan things out and form my team.
With a musical background, Cheryl started her adult life working outside the country as an entertainer to provide for her family.
I was an OFW bago ako na-involve sa network marketing. For almost 3 years, I've experienced 1 year, walang day off. Para sa amin kasi yung araw, yung oras, pag hindi namin tinrabaho yon, sayang din. So instead na magdi-day off, kakanta na lang kami. And then after that, pagkatapos ng kontrata ko for almost 3 years na walang uwian, as in wala talagang uwian kahit makadalaw sa pamilya.
True to the teachings of his parents, Patrick always went the extra mile when it came to his new business ventures.
Nung nakuha ko yung cheque ko, yung una kong cheque sa Fern, nagulat ako dahil sabi ko, wow, kung wala akong ginagawa, eto na yung cheque ko, what more kung siseryosohin ko pa. So, at that time, nagplano kami ng grupo ko. Sabi ko, dapat gumawa tayo ng mga kagamitan or tools, no? Sa negosyo namin. Una, gawa kami ng brochures, flyers, tarpaulins, lahat ng pwede namin maisip para makatulong sa pag-unlad ng negosyo namin.
With her love for books and new technology, creativity became a big key in Michelle's discovery of her road to success.
One of the reasons why I was so enticed to join my brother in this business was when I saw his downlines, his business partners, already achieving prosperity. I saw their humble beginnings and I saw the change that was happening in their lives. And I also wanted to instill that same prosperity to the members of my network. And so I decided that my strategy would not be through the numbers game, but I would be after of the quality of my people over quantity. I only have very limited time to train them because I'm only one. I wanted to duplicate myself. And so every person who joins my team, I see to it that that person becomes a well-rounded entrepreneur by conducting trainings, by supporting him the best way I can so that he can grow faster in the business. I organize meetings often. I plan things out. I strategize new and creative ideas. And not only plan, but I see to it that these plans come into action the soonest time possible.
Even at a young age, Cheryl gladly took the reins in becoming a provider. So when the time came to take care of her own children, Cheryl accidentally discovered the product that will soon change her life.
I have a friend from the Air Force. Actually, nag-umpisa lang yon as a user. That person invited me na umaten nung birthday ng asawa niya. Tapos nagmamadali akong umuwi kasi nga yung anak ko may sakit. So, tinanong niya, anong sakit? So, I told her na may tonsillitis. And then, she introduced to me the product, Fernzy. Normally, yung lagnat niya, it will take mga 1 week bago mawala yung lagnat niya, mag-absent. Pero this time, pinainom ko ngayon, the second day, gumanda yung pakiramdam niya. The third day, nakapasok na siya. I attended the seminar. So after nun, it took me another 2 weeks bago ako nag-miyembro. It took me 6 months to do the business after joining. So sabi ko, sayang. Kung ginawa ko na kaagad, edi sana matagal ko na raranasan yung nararanasan ko ngayon.
After being introduced to the world of Fern, Patrick, Michelle, and Cheryl were truly on their way to living the lives they've always dreamt of.
Dati naalala ko sa bahay namin, nagbibiro ako. Sabi ko, pakihanda nga yung pakilinis nga yung Porsche o kaya yung Mercedes-Benz. Nakakatawa kasi ngayon, pag sinasabi ko yun, nandyan sila. Nandyan sila sa garahe ko at dahil lang dito sa negosyo namin sa Fern yan.
Of course, the financial benefits will always be there. A lot of people ask me, Shell, what have you bought from your rebates in Fern? I always tell them I'm not the type of person who wants to buy many things. But I used my Fern rebates or the income that I got from Fern in pursuing my passion, and that is to travel. So I get to travel with my friends without having to ask money from my parents.
May mga material things din ako na nakuha. Dati-dati, iniisip ko yung mga bumibili ng mga bag na mga mamahalin. Nasa isip ko, siguro sira ulo itong mga babae na to. Bakit bumibili ng 50,000, 100,000? So para sa akin, nag-aaksaya ng pera. Yun pala, kaya ko lang sinasabi yun kasi that time wala akong pambili. Pero nung nagkaroon na ako ng sarili kong income dito sa Fern, I was able also to experience yung ano bang pakiramdam kapag ang hawak mo is bag na ang value is 100,000 pesos. So, ang ganda.
More than their financial gains, today, these three dreamers gladly share their blessings with their families and friends.
Mga benefits ko dito sa Fern, hindi lang para sa akin, para sa pamilya ko. Well, una, pwede kami magbakasyon kahit saan man namin maisip. Pwede kami kumain kung saan namin gusto kumain. At I would say, pinaka-importante yung hawak ko yung oras ko. Yung fact, nakakatawa, nadadala ko yung mga anak ko sa eskwelahan pag umaga, nasusundo ko rin sila. Isa sa mga magandang benefits na nakita ko dahil dito sa negosyo ng Fern.
For me, more than the financial benefits that I got from Fern, it's Fern transforming me to become a better person that is most important to me. Fern has brought out the best in me, the best of my potentials, and the best of my leadership skills. And I'm so happy to become an instrument of transforming other people's lives because of Fern.
Since na hindi kasi ako nakatapos ng pag-aaral. So sinabi ko, pag nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon ng nasa itaas, na magkaroon ako ng mas magandang buhay, tutulong ako sa mga kabataan na naging katulad ko dati, na naging hadlang ang pera para makatapos ng pag-aaral. So by partnering with World Vision Foundation, before ako mag-Fern, 50 bata, mapaaral ko. Ngayon, nagbago na siya. Sa ganda ng negosyo, okay? Nagbago na siya.
Isa sa mga librong nabasa ko dati, sabi niya, ang definition daw niya na isang negosyante ay isang taong naglakas loob, hawakan ang kanyang kapalaran. Alam nyo, mga bagong members, saka magiging members natin dito sa Fern, tiwalang-tiwala po ako na pag ginawa nyo po itong negosyo to, nakita nyo yung ganda kung paano sa dahilan ng mga magagandang produkto, pwedeng gumanda at guminhawa yung mga buhay nyo.
The key to this business is to take this business seriously. A lot of lives have been changed. A lot of dreams have been achieved. And for these people to be able to do that, there's only one thing common in them, and that is they treated this business seriously. You have to plan your work, and you have to work that plan. And some words to live by, according to John Maxwell, success is knowing your purpose in life, growing to reach that potential, and sowing the seeds to benefit others.
It's very important sa negosyo natin na to, na kailangan you keep on learning. Dapat tanggalin mo yung sakit mo na acne. Yung acne, yung AKNY, alam ko na yan. Aralin natin lahat ng dapat nating matutunan. Let's attend all the trainings, as in all the trainings, kasi napaka-importante. So, I'm a living testimony that the promise of prosperity in Fern is true.
Dito po sa Fern, hindi nyo kailangan ng malaking puhunan, hindi kailangan na maraming kakilala, hindi nyo kailangan na nag-umpisa kayo sa umpisa. Di po kailangan yon. Na-prove ko na po yun sa sarili ko, sa mga kakilala ko at marami pang tao. So, masasabi ko lang, pag ginawa nyo pong negosyon to, katulad po namin at kasama din namin, makikita nyo yung kaunlaran at mga pangarap matutupad dahil dito po sa ating negosyo sa Fern. So, sali na. Maraming salamat.
So kung pinag-iisipan mo pa kung gagawin mo tong negosyo na to, alam mo, ang suggestion ko, umpisahan mo na, gawin mo na. Kasi anyway, matagal ka naman ang nag-iisip eh. It's about time na desisyonan mo na, gayahin mo kami. Okay? Sabay natin kunin ang ating mga pangarap.
So I invite you to come and join us.
Tara na, bumayo tayo at magpakayaman!